Assalamu alaikum, hi everyone, welcome to my channel Subzone. In this video I will tell you some websites you can use it and earn hundreds of dollars on the daily basis. So let's start now. What are the websites? So if you are using the trends options, you can use the viral finder, and if you want to use a funnel, this is the Systemio. For the digital PR, you can use the ClickBank and JVV. And for the physical products, you can use the Teespring. For the emails, you can use the Right Sonic. For the automation, you can use the ManyReach. And for the traffic, you can use the TikTok, Google, email, and Insta. These are the very authentic and very famous websites you can use, and you can earn the money on $100 to reach more than $100 on the daily basis. These are the very authentic and very informative websites you can use it. So I think this video will be very helpful for you for earning the money. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay blessed always.